Oh, fantastic. Here I am. Beautiful day. It's only 26 degrees. It's midday. Fantastic. What I'm going to do now is I'll go and find my campground, which is the Hib Camp. It's on the Tumut River. I've stayed here quite a few times actually. I think it might be the 4th or 5th time I've been here. So down the bottom of this dirt road, I took a right, and it looks like quite a few people down there. There's a lot of people down there. Hopefully they all leave tomorrow. Considering it's back to school next week. Right, now I'm going to walk up here and see if I can find anywhere. Because it's, have a look. Okay, found a spot, but it's all the way down, right down the back. That's okay. So let's go down there and have a look. So I'll give you a quick look at my my setup. And when I got here yesterday, the place was full. I only found this spot and one other. So I've woken up this morning, and this is what I see. Everyone gone. So that's pretty cool, except for one couple behind me. But this is a great spot I got. I've got both my awnings out. Black solar panel discharging the van. The orange one charging the battery in the back of the car. And I'm right near the river, which is very beautiful. So there's the front of my van. Got the walls up, or the side walls anyway. Plenty of wood to keep me going for another 3 nights. And how nice is that water? How peaceful is it? So apparently there are platypus down there. I haven't seen one. I know a lot of people have mentioned that there are down there, so we'll keep an eye out for that this afternoon. How nice is that? That's beautiful. I will definitely pull my chair out and sit by here and have a cold, refreshing beverage later. So when I arrived here on the 27th, this entire campground, which goes for about at least a kilometre, was completely full. I woke up on the 28th, it was a mass exodus, and everyone left, except for maybe 2 or 3 down the bottom there. So I've literally got all of this to myself. And how beautiful is it? I just love Tumut. Rolling hills, cows. Who doesn't like cows? So this is the first stop of my trip around Australia, Tumut. And what a great way to start it. Seriously, this is just fantastic. I'm going to get some sunset shots here, right, have a look, through there this afternoon, because it's the only really clear spot I've got. The rest of it is just full on trees. There's my camera, ready for this afternoon. I've got a Nikon D500, and that's a 10 to 24mm wide angle lens. So I should get some good shots tonight. I love it when the cows come to say hello. Right up to my camp. Come on over here, come. Say hello. Hey, buddy. How are you, buddy? You're going to take off in a minute, aren't you? You just watch my solar panels. You can come and say hello. Look, you've been licking them. If you want to clean my solar panels, you can clean my solar panels. That's okay. Pretty funny. So it's just about, it's approaching 8:30. So, yep, the sun's going down. And here's the spot where I was taking photos. I love those pinks in the sky. Don't it look great? Beautiful, isn't it? All my mates, the cows have gone. Beautiful night. So I'm packing up in the morning and I'm heading to stop number 2 on the Magical Mystery Tour. I'm heading off to Jindabyne. And I'm sure it's going to be equally as beautiful as it is here. Well, I tell you what, it's only 23 degrees, but far out the humidity. I'm bathing in my own sweat. Well, we're off. We're off. Saying goodbye to Tumut, and we're going to head off to Jindabyne. Hopefully the humidity is a bit less down there. Right, so goodbye to my cow friends, and off we go. Well, here I am at Jindabyne. I've come up the dirt road for about 5 k's, and I'm in there somewhere. Looks pretty cool. Let's go out and have a look. Nice outlook. I think this might suit me just there. Yep, I reckon that'll do it. So this is us. Carolyn will be here on Friday. I'm pretty sure she's going to like this. G'day viewers, I thought I might show you my our campground. Caroline will be here tonight. I'll just spin around and have a look. So nice, it's really beautiful grass. It's all been mowed. The owner, he lives up there on the hill. If you look just to the left of that tree, you can just see the top of his house. So I haven't seen him in the last 3 nights, he hasn't seen me. So it's just perfect. So this is a place called Hilltop, Jindabyne. And that's my view. Like, how fantastic is it? Here's my Conqueror. I've got the walls up around the kitchen. Just try and stop some of that wind from blowing out the gas stove. I'm all set up here. Here's my pantry, a mini bar, kitchen area, and I've changed things around inside. So previously I was sleeping up there. Because Caroline's coming, it's just more room here on the queen size bed for the 2 of us. But there's a really nice breeze blowing here in the afternoon now, which is just fantastic. It gets a bit chilly by about another half hour, by about 6:30, 7 o'clock. It's time to put the tracky dacks on. I've got this really neat organiser here from ARB. Heaps of pockets, just to keep stuff out here that you use on a regular basis. And out here, get rid of that sun. My shower tent, I've got the toilet in there. Yeah, so this is me and Caroline until Monday. And then, I don't know, I have to figure out where I'm going to go. I must go to Caravan Park, just so I can get all my washing done and charge everything up, because Monday and Tuesday are predicting rain. So I'm not going to get any power into my solar, into my batteries. So, yeah. I'll have to go in the town. I had a look at the caravan park there, NRMA Caravan Park in Jindabyne. It's quite nice. That'll do me for a couple of days until I can figure out where out there I'm going to next.